Okay, traders, EURCAD. All right, so this is trending really nicely on the 4-hour chart. We can see here tonight we have Euro data coming out. We've got PPI and the CAD trade balance. I want to see these events here support the euro, be positive for the euro, and later on in the US session, if that's the case, right, then there's a possible Euro CAD buy opportunity. Okay, so first up, these euro data release in the London session are good for the euro, and then later on today into the New York session, if trade balance for the CAD is negative for the CAD, I'll be looking to buy, and possibly we get a pullback and then continuation. So that's what I'd be after. At the moment, this is a bit overextended Fibra trace. Now this data here could cause some volatility, and I would really like to see, if we go down to say the hourly chart, like with these calendar event today, the volatility I would like to see would be that we get a bit of a wiggle around like so, and it pulls back. So the plan of attack would be, if this pulls back, look, where do you want to pull your fib? On the 4-hour, the fib pulls from the bottom. But on the 1 hour, you've got, let me just open that up. Yeah, it's a bit tighter. Okay. So if I grab that, so, on the 1 hour, you get this expansion, retrace, expansion. And for all I know, that could continue on. But the thing that you need to be mindful about is if we grab the anchored VWAP, throw it down there, have a look at when that loads. There we go. See the blue line is VWAP. All right, I've talked about this in a few of my videos. I'm always looking at this 3 drive. So you've got drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, 3 drive pattern. Okay, be a little bit careful with this, right? So you could pull a line through here, and you can see there's definitely 3 distinct touches. Drive 1 here, 2, and 3. So, what I would like to see with this would be the pullback after this 3 drive pattern, and you can argue that there's a 5-wave structure there if you're into Elliott wave. So, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then look for that ABC correction back down into VWAP. Right, so just be really careful price action wise, given that this has trended so far. So yeah, back down into, and the other thing you've got here as well is this bullish fair value gap. Right, that's on the 1 hour chart. That could be a target, as well as the liquidity under here and this pullback down into eat liquidity and potentially looking to rebalance. That's a really big drop. So if this data is negative, the other way around, then you could get a decent pullback. That could happen. All right, so let's just see what happens. If it's supportive EuroCAD buy, we need to see this positive for the euro, negative for the CAD, and then that would possibly give us a buy opportunity. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I want to see a bit of a pullback, and then, we get something. Look, it could happen. See the euro here, even if it's positive for the euro, negative for the euro here. All right, that could could cause this to pull back. But then when the CAD comes on, this data release later on, and that's positive for the negative for the CAD, that could be the pullback and then the move. Anyway, guys, look, that's my take on the euro CAD. My bias is bullish. I'm just wanting to see a bit of a pullback. Watch out and keep an eye on these data release. With that, I hope you have a great day. Oh, don't forget to comment. That'd be awesome. I try to get back to everybody. Have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.